Imagine sitting on a gold mine while everyone around you is still digging with spoons. Right now, artificial intelligence is causing the most massive wealth transfer in human history, and most people will completely miss it. In the next 18 months, AI will change technology and rewrite the entire economic playbook. This technological revolution will make the internet boom look like a small-town carnival. A gut-punch statistic should wake you up. By 2025, AI is projected to generate $15.7 trillion in global economic value. That's more than the current combined GDP of China and India. And the investors who position themselves strategically right now will ride a wealth wave unlike anything we've ever seen. The question isn't whether AI will transform the economy. The question is, will you be on the right side of this transformation? Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. In recent years, AI has profoundly transformed our daily lives, influencing everything from how we communicate to the way we shop and work. This technological revolution has also opened up exciting investment opportunities, particularly in the realm of AI ETFs. These funds allow investors to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of companies that are at the forefront of AI innovation, making them an attractive option for those looking to capitalize on this burgeoning sector. This video explores the best AI ETFs available for potential investors, highlighting their unique features and the companies they encompass. By investing in AI ETFs, individuals can diversify their portfolios and participate in the life-changing advancements AI promises for the future. AI ETFs, or Artificial Intelligence Exchange-Traded Funds, are investment vehicles that consist of a diversified basket of stocks from companies actively involved in developing and applying AI technologies. These funds provide investors with a convenient way to gain exposure to the rapidly growing AI sector without having to pick individual stocks. One of the primary advantages of investing in AI ETFs is diversification. By holding a variety of stocks, investors can mitigate risks associated with individual company performance. This diversification helps to stabilize returns and reduce volatility in an investment portfolio. Additionally, the AI sector is known for its potential for high returns, driven by the increasing adoption of AI across various industries, including healthcare, finance, and technology. For investors looking to capitalize on this transformative technology, AI ETFs offer a compelling opportunity to participate in the sector's expansion while benefiting from the safety net of a diversified investment strategy. This combination of diversification and high return potential makes AI ETFs attractive for forward-thinking investors. Well, if my guess is correct, I'm sure you are ready for the top 5 must-have AI ETFs in 2025. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF. This ETF focuses on companies involved in robotics and AI. It boasts an impressive annual return of around 25% and an expense ratio of 0.68%. BOTS focuses explicitly on companies involved in AI automation and industrial robotics, which are rapidly evolving and expanding sectors. Investors can tap into the transformative potential of AI and robotics across various industries. Number 2. iShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, IRBO. IRBO offers exposure to a diverse range of AI and robotics firms with a solid annual return of approximately 22% and a low expense ratio of 0.47%. This ETF focuses on sectors that are at the forefront of technological innovation, specifically robotics and artificial intelligence. By investing in companies that are pioneering advancements in these fields, IRBO provides exposure to a diverse range of industries. By the way, if this video sparked something within, please smash that subscribe button. It will help us a great deal. Thank you. Here comes number 3, the ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ARKQ. This is a unique ETF that emphasizes disruptive innovation. It achieves an annual return of about 30% and an expense ratio of 0.75%. This ETF focuses on tech giants such as Meta and Amazon, which are at the forefront of advancements in artificial intelligence, e-commerce, and digital communication. By investing in ARK, investors can tap into the transformative power of these leading firms that are reshaping industries. Number 4, the Roundhill Ball Metaverse ETF. Meta is a top-performing investment option that has captured investors' attention with its standout features. With an impressive annual return of 27.8% and a low expense ratio of 0.59%, Meta offers a compelling opportunity for those looking to invest in the future of technology. This ETF focuses on companies actively shaping the metaverse and advancing artificial intelligence, positioning itself at the forefront of two of the tech landscape's most transformative trends. By investing in firms pioneering developments in virtual reality, augmented reality, and AI-driven applications, Meta allows investors to capitalize on the immense growth potential of these emerging sectors. Number 5. Invesco QQ Trust, QQ. While QQQ is not exclusively an AI ETF, it includes major tech companies with AI initiatives. It offers a robust annual return of 27% and a 0.2% expense ratio. This ETF holds a diverse array of stocks, including major tech companies that are heavily involved in artificial intelligence and innovation, such as Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. By providing exposure to these industry leaders, QQQ allows investors to benefit from the advancements and profitability of the tech sector as a whole. In summary, let me paint you a crystal clear picture of what's at stake right now. AI isn't just the future, it's reshaping the world right now. Think about this. AI is projected to add trillions to the global economy in the next few years. Companies leading this charge are the same ones these ETFs are betting on: innovators in robotics, machine learning, autonomous tech, and beyond. But here's the kicker. The earlier you position yourself, the greater the rewards. We're on the brink of massive adoption, and those who act now stand to benefit as AI powers industries like healthcare, transportation, and finance. The AI revolution isn't just for tech geeks or Silicon Valley insiders. It's for forward-thinking investors like you and me who recognize a lifetime opportunity when they see one. So, which AI ETF will you consider as your first step toward future-proofing your portfolio? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's serious about building generational wealth. We'll see you back here next time, Trailblazers. Until then, take care and thank you.